Oh, hello. Greeting for everyone. My name is Javier Caicedo. This is the course of teaching English to adolescents and adults. Um, I'm going to explain my activity according to activity guide. I'm going to show my lesson plan template. And this lesson plan is for grade systems, and the topic is past simple tense. Main aim is to recognize the simple past tense, and another is to create about sentences using the simple past tense to practice the simple past orally. Well, now I'm going to show you how is the activity to the lesson plan, a specific adjective. First of all, I'm going to explain with word map. A teacher asks to a student about simple past tense to understand the student previous knowledge about the topic developed during the class. Resource: game board with images, book, flashcard, paper, pen, board, and maker. Timing is about 5 or 8 minutes. Source: teacher-student interaction. Well, presentation. It is presented in a general way to the simple past by means of instruction the student can learn in a broad way the subject. The teacher presents the using a simple past tense to make affirmative and negative sentences to create the question and answer the question. Resource: board, maker, workbook, and photocopies. Timing is 15 or 18 minutes. Source: individual interaction and context student interaction. Well, practice. The first practice is carried out by means of a game and game board where the student take a card and according to imagine the student makes a player in his book. With action, the character makes a card, making use of one of the regular verb and irregular verb, and the respective use of the verb according to the personal pronouns. For this activity, for this practice, we need to resource game board with imagine, flashcard, paper, and pen. At the same time, the timing is 18 to 20 minutes about the source, student interaction, and individual interaction. Now, the production of the class. Based on the question created in last step, each student chooses a partner to do question. The partner is responsible for answering the question subject by his partner, making use of irregular and irregular verbs. Resource: paper and pen. Timing: 20 minutes. Student interaction. Okay, what is the way that we want to do assessment? That after that, the teacher will take a small space to clean the doubt of each student with respect to the subject. Final evaluation. Finally, the teacher makes a small quiz to the student to recognize the knowledge of each one with respect to the subject. For this page, we need to resource, board, maker, and photocopies. Timing: 10 to 15 minutes. Results, teaching student inspiration. Assessment, what is the way to going to do assessment to the class? The student will have to assessment regarding to type of class learning. In this case, the subject is the heading of his template. Results, verb conjugation to create verb tense. 5 or 10 minutes, student by himself. My simple past tense. Okay, this is all for today. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next time. See you. Bye.